While I was away, the Printing Fairies brought me the Baker's Dozen calendar 2019 for next year. You've got to go get one, they're free in store, but I'll tell you how in a minute. We've got brioche burger buns that's sweet with ice cream in the middle. We've got cheese, onion, tomato tart. We've got colache. We've got ombre layer cake, which is so delicious. 3 different cake recipes really. Tanina's Donuts Move Over Krispy Kreme. We have the best brownie recipe you'll ever have. 500 grams of chocolate, that's why. Black Russian bagels. We've got cupcakes that are so cute and so pretty. We've got chalupas, which is a Mexican flatbread. We've got a traditional pumpkin pie recipe. We've got, what have we got? Apple strudel from scratch, best pastry, yum, melt in your mouth. Macaron Christmas trees, the only macaron recipe you'll ever need with Thermomix. We've got focaccia on the 13th month. And if you go and spend $50 or more in store, you get it for free. Make sure you follow instructions. If you're an insider, you get it for free just for the cost of postage. Go do it.